Here is a quick fix for the Acura TSX 2006. This is a friend from church's car, and he was having problems because there was no fan coming, or there was nothing blowing from the fan, whether he turned it on or off. And it looked like the issues related to this resistor. This is the Denso part, and this is the bad part. I just replaced it with an Amazon version. Was $15. It's located on the bottom of the passenger side, right down there. It's only held in by two Phillips screw heads. Here is one of them. I just screwed in one to test. And now the fan, if I turn it on, see it's blowing. So that was it. There's also a diagnostic that you can do with the climate control here. I'll put it in the description on how you do it, but the diagnostic essentially shows from the two temps where there might be an issue, and the issue was the blower motor circuit was bad. So that's how I knew. So it's either the resistor or the actual fan. So we bought both. This is the $15 cheaper option. This is the $40, a little bit more expensive option. So start with this and see if it works, and it's working.